If you cannot turn on your scooter, let me show you how to check. The first step is use the charger, recharge the battery, and to eliminate the possibility of the battery failure. Okay, it's the charger. Now it's light green, and we it's become red. Okay, that means that the battery is okay. The second step is, so there is a lot of plugs here. The plugs may lose when the transit the scooter, because we produced this scooter in China and ship it to Europe or American. It'll take 2 months on the way, so you just remove the plug and plug them in. This also, you can just check the pins inside to see if the pin is damaged. Okay, check all of them and see the pins. They're good. Alright, and this one is this one for the brake. It is not important. This one is important because this is the switch cable. So yeah, this is the one. So first, check these 3 plugs, and we go down there. You hear? If the cable damaged, you can figure out. Yeah. Okay, it looks it just so. Check the cables, they're all good. Now we have to open the battery compartment to take out the controller if something loose. Look, this one is very important because this is the cable from the this is the cable from the battery, and most of the time this cable is loose, so you have to remove. Actually, you have to take out the controller. Use a screwdriver to remove the light control module. It's a light control module. And it's the controller. Alright, there's some glue inside. Okay. Now, pull the battery out. So you'll see this. Check this cable carefully. This is the one, because this cable from the battery. So I'll just check this plug, and yeah, this one as well, because this is the cable from the display, and also it's very difficult, very easy to be loose. Okay, you can just unplug it and plug in. Now put them back in place. Just push. Alright, just like this. Put it in the back. Okay, now you can see, you can turn on. If you still cannot turn on the scooter, then just replace the controller and the display. Just change them all. Controller first. Change the controller first. If the controller doesn't work, then change this one, display, and the switch.